certs. I didn't know they sold morning after pills too. Wow. Freshen your breath and do something about it later. That's kind of cool, isn't it? Okay, well, let me see. I guess that one won't work. Maybe this one will work. Oh, what do I want? Okay, I'll come over here. Come on, take it. Okay. Come on, damn it. All I want is that Coke. Come on.
Excuse me, miss, are you having trouble here? There's no banging on the vending machines.
Well, my Coke got stuck. How do I get it out of there?
Well, you'll have to put another dollar in and hit the button again.
Then I'll get two.
No, I think just the one will come out. Of course, you're paying for two. Miss, there's no obscene gestures in the establishment.
What about that machine?
That's a very helpful machine for anyone that might need help after the consummation.
And this one is during?
Well, that's just some oils and rubs.
Oh my God. That's all right. Let me wipe this down.
Miss, are you dressing?
There's clothes in there.
I
I
know,
need a
and
new
there's
pair
a
of underwear.
restroom. There's a ladies' restroom over here.
Wow, I'm impressed.
Okay, give me 1 second.
All right.
You want some help? Here. You go one side, I'll go the other. There we go. There we go. Very good.
Now I have some
Wow.
clothes on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do they have big sizes in there too?
I think it's on the top row.
Oh, look, purple leopard print. Oh my God, I gotta have those. Do you think this card will work? Maybe I should grab another one, huh?
I would use your American Express.
Okay, that works.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to pull it off. That's why things
Oh.
are coming. There you go.
Just like a slot machine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo, baby, look at this.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Excuse me, honey, excuse me, but my Ebola is up there and I can't get it down. Can you help me, please? It's been something I've been looking for. It covers me up in the most egregious way.
Oh, of course.
My husband told me, I've been told that I should have one of those to cover up my morning after stuff,
Yeah.
I just need one.
You need a boa. What color?
What color do you think it would look good on me? Seriously.
Oh,
I like the way you lift me up and down like that.
Pink.
No, I don't go that way. What about you?
I need to feel a little.
Oh, please.
Sorry.
Okay,
Yes.
all right. But in vending machines, can you believe they all have that right here in these here vending machines like that?
wow.
That's how we make our money.
You have a card?
Oh, who's that?
Me.
You gotta hit my rack.
Like one of these cards?
I do.
Yes, sir.
That is my,
No.
my husband's here.
Oh, good. Maybe he'll,
Maybe
maybe
she
he'll.
does.
Yeah, and you can find out what color of boa you
No,
would
no,
like to have.
ours take the credit card.
I don't know those kind of things.
So-
I have that credit to buy it.
Yes.
Oh,
You gotta have money.
I knew there was a catch.
I don't find it really very.
All right.
My social security card?
Yeah.
yeah, well, that's good. You know, I know a couple too that said
But if you wanna
he
give
didn't have.
me.
Can I use my debit card?
His husband,
Well,
yeah.
I'll watch and make sure
I'm
and see
looking
what
for a-
you're putting
I
in.
see
Come in
this-
and just
I'm a
make
little bit
things.
frustrated with this whole scenario right now, I'm gonna go talk to them.
Hey, you gotta keep it down here.
I see
Like
that,
now?
you have a lot of different kind of machines. I'm
Yes.
looking for a particular type of machine
All right, you
that has
just,
a particular item that I need to go out on a date with.
Me?
oh yeah. We have those.
You know which machine I'm talking about?
I do, I think I do.
They won't.
I know. Mine has batteries.
Oh.
Yeah. Why is that funny?
Okay.
Oh,
You know what, I'm out of here, I'm done.
You know what, Mama? I was gonna buy
No, no,
it
not
for you.
anymore, no thank you.
Just point
I'm
it out.
gonna get it for myself.
Okay, so the machine right over here.
It's on the far end of the building.
Yes, and the number is C12.
C.
Not that I know or
C12.
anything.
C12.
C12, that's the good one, that's the big one.
Nice.
Go rescue your husband.
I can't seem to get the product that I'm looking for in here. Can you help me with it?
Maybe. Which one?
It's the yellow one.
Oh, the ripped one. Okay.
David, I'm waiting.
You have to put your credit card in.
Yeah, look, it's one of these that you just.
You don't mind using your credit card to get my item, do you?
No, not unless you're gonna give me yours.
I don't have a credit card. I have a debit card.
That'll work,
That's what she said.
yeah. You just,
Okay, I'll put it in again.
Yeah.
What's the code
Okay.
to get the yellow one?
K 256.
Okay.
Just put it in.
And just press the button?
Yeah,
And
K.
there it is.
There it is.
I